A parrot talks too much, but can't fly high. An eagle is silent, but has the ability to touch the sky. A lion is silent, but is the king of the jungle. This is the power of silence. So talk less and do more. A parrot talks too much, but can't fly high. An eagle is silent, but has
all of this will belong to me?
It belongs to no one, but will be yours to protect, while others search for what they can take. A true king searches for what he can give.
5 signs of a stupid person. 1. They always think they are right. 2. They get easily offended. 3. They are bad at listening. 4. They are easily manipulated. 5. They are quick to anger and slow to forgive. Remember, we all have inherited such signs, but recognizing them is the first step towards personal growth and understanding.
सारा पूरा जिंदगी मोह माया के पीछे भागते रहे। लोग भूल जाते हैं सर कि कहाँ लेकर आए थे, कहाँ लेकर जाओगे, मिट्टी से निकले थे, मिट्टी में मिल जाओगे।
The only bird that dares to peck an eagle is the crow. The crow sits on the eagle's back and bites his neck. The eagle does not respond, nor fight with the crow. He doesn't spend time or energy on the crow. Instead, he just opens his wings and begins to rise higher in the heavens. The higher the flight, the harder it is for the crow to breathe, and eventually the crow falls off due to a lack of oxygen. Learn from the eagle and don't fight the crows. Just keep ascending. They might be along for the ride, but they'll soon fall off. Do not allow yourself to succumb to distractions. Keep your focus on the things above and continue rising.
भूख क्या होती है कोई इनसे पूछे। छोटू जैसे न जाने ऐसे कितने ही बच्चे हैं जिन्हें एक वक्त का खाना भी नसीब नहीं होता। कहते हैं ना, किसी भूखे का पेट भरने से बड़ा इस दुनिया में और कोई पुण्य नहीं। संस्था दान पात्र द्वारा देश के अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में निःशुल्क भोजन वितरण कर ऐसे परिवारों तक लगातार मदद पहुंचाई जा रही है। हमारी एक छोटी सी कोशिश भूख से तड़प रहे ऐसे अनगिनत मासूम बच्चों व परिवारों को भरपेट भोजन करवा सकती है। कहते हैं ना, एक हाथ से किया गया दान हजारों हाथों से लौट कर आता है। तो आइए मिलकर इस पुनीत कार्य का हिस्सा बन